So this is a really tiny controller for mobile gaming, but this is easily the most evolved iteration that I have come across ever. I've reviewed several controllers from GameSir, and this one is really kind of what you would expect out of a device like this, but it does have some differentiating features. This is the GameSir X2s. Let's go ahead and dive right in. The exterior design consists of plastic for the entirety of the build. This device feels really good in hand and is sized like a very low profile and almost boxy controller, but it's actually insanely comfortable, which makes it ideal for so many games. The grip is really comfortable because of this design, and I really appreciate that as is, but also because of the rubberized texture that it features. On the front, you're going to find the rubber pad for your phone, your usual face buttons, and some additional functionality buttons. On the top, you will find your shoulder buttons. On the bottom, you will find the USB-C port. On the back, you will find the grips. The rubber pad feels really good, with high quality materials, and I trust that there won't be any damage to my device with this rubberized surface. The face buttons feel really good too, with clicky feedback as well. The analog sticks are really good with a more compact size to them by default, and I really like how these feel. The triggers also feel really nice to use, and I really like them. So the main selling point for this controller is going to be that it features Hall effect sticks, which is becoming a standard now with a lot of different third-party controllers. But with these Hall effect sticks, you get much greater precision when using the analog sticks thanks to the magnetic Hall effect sensors on these. So this is a fantastic feature to be introduced to what is essentially a $45 controller. Now, as for the actual game performance here, we've got a pretty awesome experience. I tested out some mobile games on a Samsung smartphone, and I got a really solid experience here. I've never owned a controller like this for mobile, where the controls are so precise that I genuinely feel like I'm playing on a proper handheld for one. I had a beyond solid experience as I used both the D-pad to play and the analog sticks to play a couple of games on here since I've been testing it for mobile mostly. The D-pad offered a lot of precision as it was, and the face buttons were really solid, but the analog sticks were what really shined here when using these for gaming. My movements were very precise as they were thanks to the analog sticks having the Hall effect sensors, which have been invaluable in my gaming experience. This is easily the best controller for your mobile device, hands down, and I don't think that there are any other devices in the market that can match up to this one from GameSir at this time. So to conclude this video, I have nothing but positive things to say about this product, real talk. I think that they really nailed it here due to all of the improvements compared to their previous iterations. This is what I would consider to be the definitive edition of this product line if you're looking for something much more compact, and I hope that they continue to release new options like this too. I think that $45 is a fair price for a product like this, so if you're in the market for doing some cloud gaming, mobile gaming, and some emulation, then this definitely will be the device for you, so strongly recommended. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way up until the very end. I do really appreciate it as always, and if you're interested in buying yourself this device, please make sure to check out my affiliate links, because if you do use my affiliate link, you'd be helping out the channel quite a lot, so I would appreciate that quite a lot. And with that said, this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a good one and enjoy.